First of all, every year they organize what's called buyer-seller meet. That's a very important component of the BioAsia movement. And also they help the organization in inviting participation of speakers from the 5 continents or regions I mentioned to you a few minutes back. And 47 delegates from the country are specially participating here with reference to the business meets which are organized by the Pharma Excel. Also one important event they are supporting, which I thought it should be important not for our state itself, that is medical electronics. I think many of you must have heard about this. Medical electronics and devices is a major industry throughout the world. For example, in Asia Pacific region, Taiwan, a very small country, but it is one of the leading countries in the medical electronics in the world. And they have branded products manufactured by small scale sector on that. Now, as far as the Indian medical devices and equipment market is concerned, it's quite attractive. It is something like $4.4 billion worth of medical. Now, India actually, the demand for medical electronics is about $4.4 billion in this year, and it's likely to go up to $8 billion by 2016. I'd like to mention, as far as India is concerned, it's not very strong in manufacture of these devices. We have something like 350 units manufacturing about $60 million worth of medical devices only in this country. So this is an area with tremendous potential for India to increase. So keeping that in view, we are holding a special session on medical electronics and devices conference on 19th of February as part of the BioAsia's event. And here Sri Pradeep Chandra will also be participating. Particularly government of Andhra Pradesh also plans to develop medical devices market in this state, in this manufacturing activities in this state. So all these issues related to state as well as the country as a whole will be discussed. And the chief guest is expected for this session to be Minister of State, Government of India in Department of Commerce, and also the Secretary to the Department of Electronics and Information Technology. They are expected to present here for this particular session. So this is something, where BioAsia is taking the lead in introducing some new subjects and where industry can develop in this state. So that is one of the important areas. So this is broadly what I would like to mention, but I'd like to only tell one thing, that last 10, 11 years, this BioAsia has taken strong roots. Actually, it has also seen that the biotech industry also develops in this country. That's why you can see the tremendous amount of biotech activities in the Genome Valley in outside the Hyderabad city.